Day, my dear students. So today let's start our unit on numeration system and the number theory by talking about the first topic, which is the early numeration system. So we are about to see how the Romans, the Egyptians, and the Chinese used different numerals and number system to count. Let's have some definitions first. So when we say numerals, ito yung mga simbolo na ginagamit ng mga tao para i-represent yung isang number. Okay? For example, today we know that this symbol is number 8. So we use this symbol to represent 8ness, walo. But there are also other ways to do that. For example, the tally system, something that we use when we are counting the scores. For example, in volleyball, the Roman, now we know this, the V and the 3 I's. Here is a Chinese character for the number 8. And then for Egyptians, they just use straight lines, straight vertical lines. And the Babylonians would have their own. Numeration system, when you have a set of numerals, that's a numeration system. And then the method of arranging them, that's also important. For example, in the Hindu-Arabic numeral, the common numeration system that we know and that we use today, we have 10 numerals, diba? The set is made up of 10 numerals. And the order that we use them is from 0, and then 1 and 2 and 3 and so on until 9. So we would combine the digits together to form the other numbers. So again, we are going to take a look at 3 different numeration systems. First one is from the Romans as a sort of a review to ease us through the second and the third numeration system, which is from the Chinese and the Egyptians. So as we remember, the Roman numeration system looks like this. So this was used during the reign of the Roman Empire. Today, we still use them, but minimally. So sa mga orasan, we use them on clock spaces, on facades of building. We also see this in numbering the volumes of periodicals and books. So volume V for 5, volume X for 10, and so on. So 1 is, our Hindu-Arabic 1 is, the equivalent is the big I, the capital I. 5 is V, 10 is the capital X, 50 is L, 100 is C, 500 is D, and 1000 is M.